Look, nobody got light posts down there. We probably asked for ours. Cause that's weird. We're still on the same street. So, all right, y'all, this y'all house. Come on, this way. Ooh, I ain't walking down that hill. I'll be tired. Let's go in, y'all. Well, don't shout me because I almost voted for him.
The biggest reason why he won. And now weeks into his second presidency, the economy is not booming. He's not.
And it's the worst, and he's very much insane. He's very much insane.
51,000 jobs were added last month, more than the previous
He's
month, but
insane,
well below
girl.
expectations. And the unemployment
He's
rate
insane.
increased to 4.1%. That's actually the good news. Trump touted the numbers in an Oval Office address this afternoon. But experts and economists are warning not so fast.